So I just wanted to take a few minutes and do a screencast on how to use the WorkPlus student database. I'll also provide written instructions, but for people who like videos, you can learn how to use it this way instead. In any case, it's pretty simple, so there's not much to it. Basically, the database will keep track of all students who have expressed interest in the WorkPlus program, and it will allow us both at the university and at the employer's end to update the status of student applications, both to the university as well as to the employers. Right now, we don't have the statuses on there in terms of application to the university, but those will be added in the next couple of days. So let's say that you have had a student apply to work there through the WorkPlus program, and you want to let us know that they have made the application. You simply come here to the student menu and tell us that you want to update a student record. Then you'll find all students who have currently expressed interest someplace in this list. Select your student. Then it's going to come up and it is going to tell us what their status is at each of the 3 partnering companies at this point. So we can see at DeKunig, the student is interested, not applied, interested, not applied, not interested, not applied. So let's say that we want to update for DeKunig and just change the status to where we're at now. So currently the student is at interested, not applied. So let's say the student has submitted their application and it's pending. And submit the updated work status. Close your window and it is taken care of. If you have a student apply to work through the program for you and you do not find them in the student record, so that student is not listed yet, if you could enter that student's information in the database, that will let us know that that student needs us to reach out to them, to talk to them about the program and what they need to do on the Miami end of that program. So again, use the menu option to enter a new student. Click through to the link, and there is a quick Google form. And you're just going to enter the information, your company, the date of application, student last name, first name, and if you could provide both a phone number and email address if possible, or perhaps at least one of those so that we can try to make contact with the student and talk to them about the university component of this program. That is it. The student records will update in real time, so somebody else looking at it will be able to see the current status and so forth. Questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. You can reply to the email in which I am sharing this screencast as well as sharing the link to the database. Thanks.